In this video, we are diving into an exciting topic, cars that have hit an impressive 220,000 miles and still run like new, including Toyota Land Cruiser. Outside of your SUV that give out at 100,000 miles, why go into debt for peace of mind when these under $9,100 SUVs offer bulletproof reliability? Why swap SUVs every 3 years when one of these can last you a decade for under $9,100? Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a budget-friendly option for your family without breaking the bank, stick around as we uncover the best high-mileage SUVs that continue to deliver value and performance. Let's get started. Number 7. 2005 Toyota RAV4 with the price of $4,356. The 2005 Toyota RAV4 is a standout in the compact SUV category, known for its impressive durability and low maintenance costs. This model has built a solid reputation over the years, making it a favorite among drivers who prioritize reliability. Owners often rave about how minimum repairs are needed, allowing them to enjoy their vehicle without the stress of frequent trips to the mechanic. One of the key features of the 2005 RAV4 is its fuel efficiency. With an average of 24 miles per gallon in the city and up to 30 on the highway, it strikes a perfect balance between power and economy. This makes it an ideal choice for daily commutes or weekend getaways, ensuring you can go further without constantly worrying about fuel costs. In terms of practicality, the RAV4 offers ample cargo space and a comfortable interior, making it suitable for families or anyone needing extra room for gear. Statistics show that many 2005 RAV4s have surpassed the 200,000 mile mark while still performing well, a testament to its engineering excellence. Testimonials from satisfied owners highlight its smooth ride and dependable performance, solidifying the 2005 Toyota RAV4 as a reliable option for those seeking longevity in their vehicle. Number 6. 2011 Toyota Highlander with the price of $4,983. The 2011 Toyota Highlander stands out as an exceptional family SUV designed with both comfort and safety in mind. One of its key strengths is its spacious interior, which comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers. Families will appreciate the generous legroom and cargo space, making it easy to transport kids, pets, and all the gear that comes with family outings. Additionally, the Highlander is equipped with a range of safety features, including multiple airbags, stability control, and a robust braking system, ensuring peace of mind for parents on the road. Reliability is another hallmark of the 2011 Highlander. Known for its durability, this SUV can handle high mileage with ease, making it a smart investment for families who plan to keep their vehicle for years. Many owners report that their Highlanders continue to perform well even after surpassing the 200,000 mile mark, showcasing Toyota's commitment to quality engineering. When it comes to resale value, the 2011 Highlander holds its own in the market. Its reputation for reliability and family-friendly features keeps demand high, meaning you can expect a solid return if you decide to sell or trade it in. Overall, the 2011 Toyota Highlander is a dependable choice for families seeking a versatile and long-lasting SUV. Number 5. 2007 Cadillac Escalade with the price of $5,995. The 2007 Cadillac Escalade is a remarkable blend of luxury and performance, making it a standout choice in the full-size SUV market. At the heart of this vehicle is a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 403 horsepower, providing ample acceleration and responsiveness. With a towing capacity of up to 8,300 pounds, the Escalade is not only a stylish ride but also a capable workhorse for those who need to haul trailers or boats. Inside, the 2007 Escalade boasts a wealth of luxurious features that continue to impress even at high mileage. From premium leather seating to a state-of-the-art sound system, the interior is designed for comfort and sophistication. The spacious cabin offers plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it ideal for family trips or entertaining guests. Features like heated and ventilated seats, a rear seat entertainment system, and advanced navigation technology enhance the overall driving experience. Moreover, the Escalade has established itself as a symbol of durability in the luxury SUV segment. Many owners report that their vehicles remain in excellent condition even after years of use, showcasing Cadillac's commitment to quality. Overall, the 2007 Cadillac Escalade combines power, luxury, and reliability, making it a top choice for those seeking an upscale driving experience. Number 4. 2001 Honda CR-V with the price of $6,925. The 2001 Honda CR-V is a compact SUV that has earned a stellar reputation for reliability, making it a popular choice for urban drivers. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in crowded city streets and tight parking spaces, while still offering ample interior space for passengers and cargo. This versatility makes it an ideal vehicle for those who need a practical solution for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. One of the standout features of the 2001 CR-V is the longevity of its Honda engines, known for their durability. These engines can often exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Routine care, such as oil changes and timing servicing, can keep the CR-V running smoothly for years, making it a wise investment for budget-conscious drivers. User reviews consistently praise the 2001 Honda CR-V for its dependable performance over the years. Many owners highlight its smooth ride, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs as key benefits. The positive feedback reflects a strong sense of satisfaction among drivers who appreciate the vehicle's ability to withstand the test of time. Overall, the 2001 Honda CR-V remains a reliable and versatile option for those seeking a compact SUV that delivers on performance and longevity. Number 3. 2016 Mazda CX-5 with the price of $7,495. The 2016 Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that perfectly blends style and reliability, making it a favorite among drivers who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. Its sporty design features sleek lines and a bold front grille, giving it a dynamic presence on the road. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials, creating an inviting atmosphere that enhances the overall driving experience. One of the standout aspects of the CX-5 is its engaging driving dynamics. With responsive steering and a well-tuned suspension, this SUV offers a fun and spirited ride, making it a joy to navigate through city streets or winding country roads. Additionally, the CX-5 boasts impressive fuel efficiency, achieving up to 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. This means you can enjoy a sporty drive without constantly worrying about fuel costs. When it comes to maintenance, the 2016 Mazda CX-5 is known for its low upkeep expenses. Further adding to its appeal, customer satisfaction ratings are consistently high, with many owners praising its reliability and performance. Reliability reports also support these claims, highlighting the CX-5's ability to maintain its quality over time. Overall, the 2016 Mazda CX-5 stands out as a stylish, reliable, and enjoyable choice for those in the market for a compact SUV. Number 2. 2015 Acura MDX with the price of $8,273. The 2015 Acura MDX is a luxury midsize SUV that impresses with its combination of upscale features and family-friendly design. One of its standout attributes is the spacious interior, which comfortably seats up to 7 passengers. Families will appreciate the generous legroom and cargo space, making it easy to transport kids, pets, and all the essentials for road trips or daily errands. The MDX is equipped with luxury features such as leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and advanced technology options, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride for everyone. In terms of performance, the 2015 MDX does not disappoint. It is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a smooth and powerful driving experience, coupled with a well-tuned suspension. The MDX offers excellent handling and stability, making it a pleasure to drive in various conditions. Reliability ratings for the 2015 model are strong, with many owners reporting minimal issues over time, which adds to its appeal as a dependable family vehicle. Additionally, the MDX holds its value well in the used car market, making it a smart investment for buyers. Its reputation for quality and luxury ensures that it remains a sought-after option, providing peace of mind for those looking to purchase a reliable and stylish SUV. Overall, the 2015 Acura MDX is an excellent choice for families seeking a blend of luxury, performance, and reliability. Number 1. 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser with the price of $9,000. The 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser is renowned for its legendary durability, making it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Built with a rugged frame and high-quality materials, this SUV is designed to tackle challenging terrains with ease. Its impressive off-road capabilities include a robust four-wheel drive system, improved ground clearance, and a fast suspension, allowing it to navigate rocky trails, muddy paths, and steep inclines without breaking a sweat. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 1994 Land Cruiser is its reputation for longevity. Many owners report that their vehicles have surpassed the 200,000-mile mark while still running strong, a testament to Toyota's engineering excellence. This durability not only enhances the vehicle's appeal, but also makes it a wise investment for those seeking a reliable and long-lasting SUV. Stories from long-term owners further illustrate the Land Cruiser's legendary status. One owner shared how his 1994 model has been a trusted companion on countless family road trips and off-road adventures, still running strong after nearly 3 decades. This anecdote highlights the enduring appeal of the 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser, solidifying its place as an iconic vehicle in automotive history. Also, the Land Cruiser has cultivated a loyal fan base over the years, with a vibrant community of enthusiasts who share a passion for these iconic vehicles. Owners often gather at events, online forums, and social media groups to exchange tips, showcase modifications, and share stories of their adventures. This strong sense of community adds to the allure of the 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser, solidifying its status as a beloved choice for those who value durability, performance, and the spirit of exploration. After introducing these 7 cars hit 220,000 miles and still run like new, all under $9,100, which SUV interests you most? Comment below and share your option with the reason why.